Lying nearly 300 feet down, the rusted silhouette of a late 2000s Hyundai mixer emerges from the blue-green haze. Decades underwater, this heavy-duty Hyundai mixer is slowly transforming into a vibrant artificial reef ecosystem. Hidden beneath decades of marine growth lies the unmistakable emblem of a late 2000s Hyundai heavy-duty cement mixer. Sunk sometime in the late 2000s, these Hyundai cement trucks have become an unlikely home for marine life, a testament to nature's resilience.
Illuminated by the diver's light, the corroded wheel assembly reveals a hidden ecosystem thriving amidst the decay.
Wedged deep within this abyssal canyon lies the skeleton of a Hyundai heavy-duty mixer, abandoned for years and now reclaimed by the sea.
This systematic scan highlights the severe structural corrosion and deep rust pitting on the abandoned Hyundai mixer.
Submerged for years, the rear section of this Hyundai cement mixer is heavily encrusted. The license plate and
Once a heavy-duty workhorse, this late 2000s Hyundai cement mixer now lies abandoned, transformed by the deep sea into a corroded ruin.
The relentless march of decay is evident here. From flaking factory paint to deep corrosion pits, the ocean reclaims the steel. The rusted chassis of what was once a Hyundai workhorse now serves as an artificial reef, slowly being reclaimed by the ocean depths.
An advanced ROV circles the wreckage, projecting visible sonar waves that generate a semi-transparent 3D wireframe model over.
All right, we're on approach to the coordinates.
Confirming visual on the target site. Stand by the cranes. Equipped with high-intensity lamps, the dive team descends toward the wreck of the Hyundai cement mixer, lost to the depths for years.
All right, bring her down slow. Steady. Hold it right there. A little to the left. All right, easy now. Contact. Settled.
The structural integrity around the drum mount is severely compromised.
Agreed. We'll need specialized...
The powerful water stream makes short work of the accumulated grime, revealing the structure beneath. We start by systematically removing the rotted dashboard components and the disintegrated seat cushions. The rust on the floor pan is significant.
All right, slowly up. Watch the lines. Steady on the left. Clear the mounts.
The abandoned Hyundai mixer is fully disassembled. Each component, from the corroded drum to the smallest fastener, is
Burger.
This exploded view shows the critical failure points on the axle housing. We must address these first.
And the budget allocation for material.
The full extent of the corrosion is clear. This Hyundai chassis presents a significant engineering challenge, but with submerged in the specialized solution, the chemical reaction immediately begins, stripping away decades of corrosion and rust from the metal surface.
The process begins as the vintage Hyundai chassis enters the degreasing bath, followed by the rust converter. As the milky white converter contacts the heavily pitted chassis rust, the chemical reaction immediately begins, neutralizing.
Following a technician's skilled hands as they guide a high-speed pneumatic angle grinder along a welded seam, removing rust scale and preparing the surface for repair welding. Using a pneumatic wire wheel, we're stripping away decades of corrosion. The contrast between the heavily pitted rust and the gleaming bare steel is dramatic. With the cleaning phase now complete, every component of the cement mixer has been stripped to bare metal and organized here on the workbench. A focused blast of air shears away the contamination, leaving behind perfectly clean steel, ready for the next stage of restoration.
Significant pitting along this joint where the corrosion was worst.
All right, marking this section in yellow, we'll need a full UT on that weld.
The red circles indicate critical stress cracks requiring immediate welding. Yellow marks the deep pitting needing reinforcement plates.
The welder strikes the arc, initiating the critical structural repair on the frame rail of the abandoned Hyundai cement mixer.
The hydraulic pistons engage, applying controlled force. Advanced laser alignment systems monitor the geometry. The replacement cab panel, precisely cut on the CNC machine, is now test-fitted to the Hyundai skeleton.
Warrants. The reinforcement plates are precisely positioned using alignment jigs. Calibrated pneumatic tools then torque the swords. With the dial indicator positioned, micro adjustments are made via the hydraulic jack. This fine-tunes the frame geometry. New kingpins are hydraulically pressed into powder-coated steering knuckles. Ball joints are torqued to specification, and wheel bearings are packed with high-temperature grease. Utilizing the pneumatic spot welder, the team systematically fuses the new steel panels to the cab structure, ensuring factory precision for this Hyundai mixer.
From bare skeleton to reinforced structure, the systematic reconstruction of this late 2000s Hyundai cement mixer is well underway.
Torquing the final bolt now, specified at 200 foot-pounds.
Confirmed. That's a good click.
With controlled hydraulic force, the yellow polyurethane bushings are precisely seated into the reconditioned control arms, ensuring a perfect fit.
Barnacles. A pivotal moment in the restoration. The heavy-duty front suspension is precisely lowered onto the Hyundai frame as
All right, bring it down gently. Watch the clearance on the left. Holding steady. It's seated.
The transformation is stark. Utilizing advanced techniques, we brought this late 2000s Hyundai mixer frame back.
As the cover is lifted, the severe internal damage is clear. Extensive corrosion, thick black sludge, and we're brushing the carbon deposits from the piston crown to assess the aluminum. Given the severe corrosion, these components will likely require full replacement.
The severe corrosion on this cylinder wall requires precision boring. The machine advances, systematically removing it. The honing tool spins rapidly, creating a precise 45-degree crosshatch pattern on the cylinder wall. This texture
Ready for installation. A complete array of premium quality engine components, meticulously arranged for the rebuild of this Hyundai cement mixer's power plant.
Utilizing precision techniques, the Hyundai heavy-duty engine is systematically assembled, from the crankshaft installation to final accessory mounting.
Meticulous adjustment guarantees the rebuilt engine meets factory specifications, ensuring optimal performance. Brand new harnesses, fuel lines, and hydraulic hoses are meticulously secured using factory-specified routing.
Hold steady on that sideline.
Lowering slowly now, watch the mounts.
Looks good. Contact. Primary harness is seated.
Confirming connection. System initialization sequence initiated. The hydraulic system is systematically connected using high-pressure hoses and precision fittings. Calibrated wrenches ensure
Torque on the caliper bolts is set.
alignment looks good on this side. Ready for the bleed test.
Brakes look good. Let's get these fluids filled. We're using the new synthetic blend,
Specified exactly for the late 2000s models.
The rebuilt engine turns over, catches, and settles into a perfect idle. Diagnostics confirm stable oil pressure and using a precisely controlled spray gun, we apply the factory-correct Hyundai Blue. The atomized paint settles uniformly. Factory-correct Hyundai manufacturer decals and safety labels are carefully positioned using precision alignment tools, restoring the visual identity of the mixer. The dual-action polisher corrects the clear coat, eliminating years of imperfections and leaving behind a stunning, swirl-free mirror finish.
All right, bring it down slowly. Steady on the left side. Looks good. Ready for torque?
We're holding steady at 5,500 RPM. Power output is exceeding expectations. Confirmed. Recording data now for the final report. Decades of wear vanished. The mirror finish white paint and deep glossy blue drum radiate renewal, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship.
Mentions. A dramatic contrast between total decay and complete renewal. The Hyundai cement mixer transformed.
demonstrating complete functionality. The fully restored Hyundai cement mixer returns to active service, ready for any challenge.